In this video, you will learn how to harness the remarkable capabilities of voice cloning and natural speech generation using ElevenLabs. We will discuss how to use ElevenLabs to clone your voice, how ElevenLabs works, and ElevenLabs' advantages and limitations. Welcome to TechTuned, your AI-focused YouTube channel. Here, you'll find the latest topics and tutorials related to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Let's get into it. ElevenLabs AI is an advanced artificial intelligence system that specializes in voice cloning and natural speech generation. It harnesses state-of-the-art deep learning techniques, including neural networks and natural language processing, to replicate voices and convert textual input into spoken words. Developed by a team of experts in AI and speech synthesis, ElevenLabs AI is designed to cater to a wide range of applications, from content creation to accessibility services. How to use ElevenLabs AI to clone your voice. You might have come across Instagram and TikTok users employing voice cloning to make well-known figures say unexpected things. While ElevenLabs used to provide voice cloning at no cost, they have recently introduced a $5 fee, allowing users to generate up to 10 customized voices. However, if you prefer not to pay, an alternative option would be PlayHT, which offers free voice cloning services. You can visit their platform to explore this free alternative. To clone your voice with ElevenLabs AI, click on Voice Lab at the top. After that, click on Add Generative or Cloned Voice. Next, click on Instant Voice Cloning. To begin, choose a name for your voice. Next, upload your recorded audio, ensuring that the recording is free from excessive background noise. For optimal speech synthesis results, we recommend uploading a minimum of 5 minutes of audio. Please provide a description below, and then click the Add Voice button to proceed. After a few seconds, your voice will be cloned and ready to use. Click on Use to convert text to speech using this voice right away. At this point, please confirm that your voice is chosen from the drop-down menu. Then, input your text and click the Generate button. The system will take a few moments to synthesize your speech and produce the audio. You can proceed to download the audio once it's ready. How does ElevenLabs work? ElevenLabs operates on a sophisticated blend of deep learning algorithms and neural networks. The voice cloning process begins by analyzing the provided voice sample and dissecting various vocal characteristics, such as pitch, tone, and cadence. It then constructs a comprehensive voice profile, enabling it to mimic the user's speech patterns and nuances. For text-to-speech conversion, the system employs natural language processing techniques to interpret the textual input and generate speech that sounds remarkably human. It adapts to different languages, accents, and voice styles, offering a versatile and customizable solution for content creators and other users. How is ElevenLabs different from other AI voice generator tools? ElevenLabs AI offers a host of advantages that make it a compelling choice for voice cloning and speech generation. Here are some advantages. Voice authenticity. While many AI voice generators offer voice cloning, ElevenLabs AI excels in creating voices that closely resemble the user's actual voice, ensuring a high level of authenticity. Customization. Users can fine-tune the voice style, pitch, and tone, allowing for a personalized touch to their content. Multilingual support. ElevenLabs AI supports a wide array of languages and accents, making it accessible to a global user base. User-friendly interface. The platform's intuitive design and user-friendly interface make it accessible both to beginners and experienced users. Versatility. This AI system is not limited to one application. It serves both as a voice cloning tool and as a text-to-speech converter, making it a versatile solution. ElevenLabs AI limitations. ElevenLabs, like any technology, has its limits. There's a worry that it could be used unethically, like making fake voices for scams or misleading stuff. Also, be careful when sharing voice samples, because they might have privacy issues. So when using ElevenLabs, it's important to think about ethics and privacy to use it responsibly. That's all for today. How will you apply what you've learned today to your next project? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any videos from us. Thank you for watching.